Solutions 8 is officially premier partner of Google Ads, which means that Google themselves rank us in the top 3% of all Google partners. I happen to know that we're number 1, but Google says top 3%, which is where they stop ranking. Here's the thing. I have some explaining to do because I've been bashing the Premier Partner Program for as long as I've not been allowed in it. To explain, they changed the criteria. So Google, and if you're a Google Ads agency, you already know this. Google changed the entire Premier Partner ranking system, and the new Premier Partner ranking system that just rolled out is what we're currently on. In the past, you were only up for consideration as a Premier Partner if you were compliant. And really what that means is Google was taking everybody who was listening to their recommendations and then proving the fact that they were following through with the recommendations through the ad dashboard. They were using your MCC account and any accounts hooked up to your MCC account in order to make sure that you were actually doing the things that Google was telling you to do. So what I used to say was if an agency was a Premier Partner, that was actually a red flag. It was a red flag because they were following Google's advice, which is at a minimum not 100% true. And you and I will disagree no matter who you are as to what percentage is true, but it's definitely not 100% true. And so if you were following Google's advice to the letter, then you were putting your client's accounts at a disadvantage. And I'm trying not to be too strong with my words. Now, Google's current partner requirements still require 70% optimization scores, but you can just dismiss recommendations and they go away. They don't penalize you. So it became much easier to achieve. So for all of those people out there that I have bashed the Premier Partner Program to, forgive my hypocrisy because I am now celebrating my inclusion. But I just want to explain the fact that we are now eligible for inclusion because Google changed the rules. It's not that I was just, shitting on a club that I wasn't allowed to be a part of, although that was part of it. I was very bitter for very long that we weren't Premier Partners. I hated that because, it's hard to tell people like, oh, we're the best agency in the world, and then have people say, well, why aren't you in the best agency group? And then you have to, go off on this weird little conspiracy theory that was true that, said, well, Google only lets the people in that it thinks are good, and we happen to know that they're wrong. That just didn't sound like it's not very believable for people that don't know Google Ads very well. So like the average business owner is like, oh, okay, okay, dude. So I'm glad that there's now continuity to my narrative. Google changed the way that they rank. We're officially Premier Partners, which is really cool, and I'm excited about. So for anybody who feels like I'm changing my story on this, I just wanted to shoot this video to explain and then also to celebrate Solutions 8. Thanks for watching. Wait, before you go, I'm constantly looking for amazing people to come join our team. So if you're passionate about Google Ads and you're passionate about customer success, please go to soul8.com/apply, and we'd love to see you as a part of the Solutions 8 team. Also, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. It lets the YouTube algorithm know that we actually know what we're doing. And don't forget to subscribe. We shoot a video every single day, and I don't want you to miss out on any of it. Lastly, if you have questions, comments, concerns, confessions, or you just hate my face and my voice, go ahead and hit us up in the comments. We get very little human interaction, and even the heckling is something that I kind of get a kick out of. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being subscribers if you're a subscriber. Don't forget to apply if you're interested in working at Solutions 8. Otherwise, I'll see you tomorrow.